The 2026 Mercedes-Benz CLE 450 is a masterful evolution in the luxury coupe segment, replacing the previous C-Class and E-Class coupes with a singularly elegant and versatile model. The CLE 450's exterior design is a testament to the sophistication of modern automotive engineering, featuring sleek lines and an aerodynamic silhouette that reflects both aesthetic appeal and functional efficiency. Inside, the cabin is a showcase of luxury, where premium leather, finely polished wood trims, and meticulously designed details create an ambience of refined opulence. The seamless integration of technology and comfort further emphasizes Mercedes-Benz's reputation as a pioneer in blending traditional craftsmanship with cutting-edge innovation. Beneath the hood lies a potent 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-six engine, capable of delivering an impressive 375 horsepower and 369 lb-ft of torque. This powertrain, paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission and standard all-wheel drive, provides a dynamic driving experience that is both exhilarating and controlled. The CLE 450 achieves a 0 to 60 mph acceleration in approximately 4.5 seconds, highlighting its performance-oriented capabilities while maintaining the composure expected of a luxury vehicle. Equally notable is the CLE 450's dedication to driver and passenger comfort. The ride quality is smooth and composed, with the adaptive suspension system absorbing road imperfections effortlessly. Technological innovation is evident in the form of a dual-screen setup, a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and an 11.9-inch central touchscreen, both designed to provide intuitive access to vehicle settings and entertainment options. While the CLE 450 may not possess the aggressive sportiness of some rivals, it achieves a balanced harmony between performance, luxury, and practicality, making it an exemplary choice for those who seek the finest in modern automotive design.